Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with parts and immediate wiring. Place the fingerprint sensor, Arduino, servo, and a reliable 5V supply on your bench so connections are short and labeled. Connect sensor VCC to 5V and G&D to the common ground. Cross TX/RX to Arduino RX/TX. Power the servo from the 5V rail, but keep its ground tied to Arduino. Once done, add a MOSFET or transistor to switch the lock motor. This protects the board and prevents brownouts during actuation. You now program the core, upload a fingerprint library to Arduino, and define the software serial pins. Implement an enrollment routine that prompts for 2 scans, converts them, then stores a template ID in module memory so matches are persistent. Once stored, write the unlock function to read a match, then pulse the servo with mapped open and closed angles. Make sure to include delays and debounce logic so repeated triggers don't jam the mechanism. This prevents false actuations and protects the lock. You finish by mounting the sensor flush to the door and enclosing electronics to avoid tampering and moisture. Test thoroughly, enroll several fingerprints, then attempt unlocks and deliberate failures, log response times and servo travel to tune timings. Once done, add a mechanical failsafe or override keyhole for emergencies. If things go wrong, check the power first. Brownouts cause unpredictable behavior, so add a 470 micro F-cap or separate servo supply and common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.